The modern world keeps evolving. Our way of consumption generates an ever-increasing production of waste. If we do not manage waste adequately, the future generations will run straight to disaster. Issues with hygiene and pathologies, depletion of natural resources, disastrous environmental impact. Waste management is everyone's business. Historically, landfilling and incineration without energy recovery were common. Fortunately, these practices are increasingly less used for household waste. In Belgium, they have been forbidden for many years. They are the lowest levels of land sinks ladder. Lansing's ladder is used as a guide to optimally manage waste. Starting from the top, each level down constitutes a loss of value and consequently a bigger degradation of our environment. Let's start at the top of the ladder. Prevention. The best way not to produce waste is to change our way of consumption. For example, purchasing one bottle of 2.5-litre soda instead of individual cans when you have a big family is a way to prevent waste. Clothes in good condition delivered to social economy associations or reconditioned computers sold in the second-hand market are common forms of reuse. The next step in the recovery of waste is sorting and recycling. Here we find the sorting of household waste, bulky waste, and the compositing of garden waste. Waste is sorted and recycled to be transformed into new products. The fourth step in the recovery of waste is incineration with energy recovery. Residual waste helps produce heat or electricity. The last two levels of land sinks ladder are incineration without energy recovery and landfilling. These do not allow for true recovery and are therefore to be avoided at all costs. Let's focus on sorting and recycling. A European directive demands that 50% of household waste be sorted and recycled by 2020. A big portion of household waste is made of packaging: glass bottles, flasks and jars, PMD packaging and paper cardboard. Objective 2013, 80% of PMD packaging recycled. This is where Recyclis comes into play. Recyclis' mission is to sort PMD packaging and paper cardboard. Brand new high-technology sorting lines were built in 2012. With a treatment capacity of 80,000 tons of paper cardboard and 20,000 tons of PMD packaging, these new almost entirely automated sorting lines allow for a better quality of sorting. But a better quality of sorting starts at the source, at your home, in your company. In fact, your role is simple. All you need to do is put the right waste in the right bag or container. Let's start with the PMD packaging. What does PMD stand for? P, for bottle and flasks in plastic. In other words, no plastic object can go into the blue bag unless it is a bottle or a flask. Any other plastic objects must be put into the white bag or container for residual waste. M, for metal packaging. For example, cans, tins and aluminium trays. D, drink cartons. For example, small juice for schools, soup bricks, etc. Before you put your PMD packaging into the blue bag, please check the following. Its volume is inferior to 8 litres. It is well emptied. It does not include any of the following logos. These logos mean that the product is either dangerous or corrosive. Your waste is well sorted at the source? Great. We take over the next steps. Let's see how it works at Recyclis. Schematically, the process for the blue line happens in 7 steps. 1. The bag opener tears the blue bags apart to free its contents. 2. In the manual pre-sorting phase, badly sorted waste is evacuated. 3. The wind shifter recuperates the empty blue bags. 4. The magnetic belt recuperates the metal packaging. 5. The optical sorting sorts and recuperates the bottles and flasks based on their material, PET or HDPE, and their colors, colorless, blue, green, white. 6. The magnetic separator recuperates the aluminium packaging. 7. Badly sorted waste is taken back to the sorting line at step 4, magnetic belt, to refine the quality of sorting. Paper cardboard. It is important to check that the paper and cardboard that you sort are clean and dry. For example, a soiled pizza box cannot be recycled. It must therefore be put into the white bag or container for residual waste. Systematically, the process for the yellow line happens in 4 steps. 1. The cardboard star screen recuperates the biggest pieces of cardboard. 2. The bag opener tears the yellow bags apart to free their contents. 3. The optical sorting recuperates and sorts the paper of diverse quality, mixed paper, archival paper, and newspapers and brochures, as well as the empty yellow bags. 4. A manual control further refines the sorting of the paper and cardboard. Recycling, it works. The recuperated material are used to produce new objects without unnecessarily depleting the natural resources while saving energy and CO2. For instance, with 1 ton of plastic bottles, 1,800 polar sweaters can be produced. 1 ton of metal is used to produce 1.5 cars, and 1 ton of aluminium allows for the production of 265 bicycles. 1 ton of recycled paper is used to produce the equivalent of 800 kilograms of paper. In other words, no less than 320 reams of 500 sheets of paper. In addition, recycling 1 ton of aluminium avoids the extraction of 2.4 tons of ore or bauxite, the production of 27 megawatts of energy, the equivalent consumption of an A+ fridge during 129 years, and the production of 7 tons of CO2. Likewise, recycling 1 ton of paper avoids cutting 19 trees. It also saves 48 meters cubed of water, the equivalent of 685 showers, and 10 megawatts of energy, the equivalent consumption of an A+ fridge over 48 years. Each of the recycled materials sorted at Recyclis, paper, cardboard, bottles, flasks, cans and tins, and drink cartons follow the same logic. At Recyclis, we have invested into a performant tool for your waste to acquire value. We have the tool, but you have the key. Proper sorting means investing in the future of our planet. For more information, go to www.recyclis.be and also www.fostplus.be.